Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to text on Instagram, full guide. Open Instagram and tap the paper plane to view direct messages, then choose a conversation or tap the new message icon to start one. Use the message field to type, add emojis, stickers, GIF, or attachments and press send. For disappearing photos, tap the camera icon and choose view once before sending for extra privacy and control. Learn how to format and use extras while texting on Instagram. Mention people with that username to get attention, record quick voice messages with the microphone, and swipe left to reply to a specific message in a chat. You can also react with emojis by long pressing a message, forward messages to other chats, and use vanish mode for messages that disappear after viewing to keep chats casual and temporary. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Use voice control, set schedules, and let it handle crumbs while you text. It's a fun, helpful gadget to free up time for messaging friends or replying to DMs. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your privacy while texting on Instagram by using message request filters to screen unknown senders and adjusting who can message you in settings. Turn on vanish mode when you want messages to disappear after viewing, and regularly review blocked accounts to keep your inbox safe. If you receive harassment, block and report the account immediately to stop contact and help maintain a secure messaging experience for yourself and others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.